I'm Anil Kumar and I'm taking a few test questions on quadratic functions. They are basically from quadratic expressions and factoring. The idea of taking these questions is also to review and prepare for the test. These questions are valid for IB students who are doing grade 10 and even other students who are following this curriculum anywhere in the world. Question here is, write a simple trinomial that does not factor. Explain your strategy, right? So trinomial means what? So we'll write a simple trinomial. Normally it is ax squared plus bx plus c. When we want to make it simple, we'll say let if a equals to 1, in that case we write this as x squared plus bx plus c. So that becomes a simple trinomial, but we need to give an example that does not factor. Now if you have learned the factoring techniques, you know we are looking for two integers whose product should be a number. And let us take any number. For example, the product is 5, okay, and their sum p plus q is the sum of these two. So what we have is 5 is like 5 times 1. When you add them, you get 6. Another possible value of getting 5 is minus 5 and minus 1. In that case, you get this as minus 6. So in your equation, if I use C is the product, right? C is normally the product and B is the part of the sum, right? So you know, this product is, in this case, C and B is the sum. But if I don't use these combinations, then you cannot really factor it. So I can give you equation like y equals to x squared. So let me use 5 for C, but I'll change B as any other number. Let's say 3, right? So write 3x plus 5. Now as you know, product of 5 means it is either 5 times 1 or minus 5 times minus 1. In those cases, we get plus or minus 6 as the value of B. But if I write 3, it won't work. Do you see that? So that is how you can write a simple trinomial that does not factor, and that is kind of explanation, right? You can write any number of trinomials in this fashion, but I will suggest always take a prime number so that we don't land up into many situations. We could take 7 for example. So the other polynomial could be x squared plus, so let me write 7 first. 7 times 1 is 8. So instead of 8, if I write something else, let us say if I write 2, right? So it will never be possible to factor this particular trinomial. So like this, we can give more and more examples. I hope you understand and appreciate the concept. You can subscribe to my videos and practice for your test. Thank you and all the best.